Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing, and this is for the hashtag retro story journal swap, and I'm sure by this beautiful sticker here, y'all can tell who my swap partner is. My partner is Creating with Jovi, which I'm sure all of you guys are very familiar with her channel, but for those who are not, she does junk journaling flip-throughs. She also does wonderful tutorials. She also does journal-alongs. I forgot to mention that in this video, I will only be showing off the extras that Sweet Jovi sent me. So if you want to watch the unboxing of the junk journal, come back on March the 25th where I will be doing the unboxing. She's just so full of life. I absolutely adore Jovi, and I'm so very honored for her to be my swap partner. Also, be sure to check out her Etsy store because she does sell her journals on there, and as well as printables that she started doing this year. She packaged this so beautifully, Jovi. Thank you so much. She is an overachiever. She ended up sending this off pretty darn early. I was like, oh my gosh. She's so talented. So I'm kind of intimidated a little bit that I got paired up with her, but also super blessed. And so here is what she put here. She says, "Dear BB, I am so glad you are my swap partner." And she says, "I know you are building your stash. I hope some of these goodies help your friend Jovi." She's such a doll. Okay, thank you so much for this cute little card. Oh look, she even has it in her printables that I was just telling you guys about. How super sweet. I'm really excited. Okay, enough talking. Let's get into it. So she topped this off so beautifully with it looks like a curtain. How cute is this? I do incorporate this fabric a lot into like clusters and stuff. They're so pretty. I recently also joined in her Valentine's collaboration. That was a lot of fun. Look, she shared, oh look at this gold intertwined into this eyelet lace. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, and she shared a generous amount. Holy mackerel. So let me go ahead and remove. She gave me so much of this. Oh my god. All right, I have it at a distance now, so I'm kind of like wanting to peek. But anyways, so she shared some of this gorgeous vintage fabric with me. I feel like this maybe came off a pillowcase. So stinking cute. And I love the plaid here. I don't think this is plaid, is it? I don't know. I'm still learning fabrics, but she shared some of her stash. How cute are those? And then, oh my gosh, she was telling us about these feathers. She was sharing in one of her journaling prompts that she collects these little feathers. Little, they're not little at all. They're actually quite big. But I feel that way about feathers too. Sometimes I'll spot a pretty feather outside and I too will pick it up. And it's just irresistible. You have to, especially when they're this pretty. Look at this one. It looks like it got dipped or something. How cute. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this pretty? And oh, that's another thing that both me and Jovi, when we like emailed each other at first after we found out that we were swap partners, we're both really into pastels and like light wash colors. Although like I love all colors, but pastels I favor because I just think they're so pretty. She's given me some yarns and stuff in a variety of colors, and look at this tie-dye one too. That is crazy that she, I don't know, like she did a tie-dye kind of theme, and I love anything that has like tie-dye and stuff. That is so cute. So thank you so much for this beautiful pack. Sent me some more lace, and she even rolled it up so pretty. Look at this trim. I think it's trim. And oh my gosh, I feel like, oh my gosh, there's more in here. Wow, what a beautiful stash you have. That is so pretty. And look at this one too. Gorgeous. Oh, this one has a little bit of stretch to it. Cute. She also sent me quite a bit of this. Oh, we have some fabrics with some eyelash trim. I think eyelash trim is so fun. I love it. And then here she sent me a little fabric bundle. How cute is this? We've got this beautiful plum purple, that beautiful pattern. Ooh, this is fun. Do y'all see the gold in this? Super adorbs. I love the color yellow. She knows me so well. And check out these florals with some birds. Look at these beautiful birds. This is a thicker fabric. I hope it's coming through on camera, but this is pretty good fabric here. And I love the flowers on it. Then we have this pink one. It's super delicate and pretty. So cute. You can do so much in like patchwork. I'm thinking patchwork. Ooh. She recently I'm getting tongue-tied. She recently did a elephant junk journal, and I remember her using this for her cover, and I just remember it like, I was like, man, how fun would that be to like feel it and touch it? Like, I'm all about texture. And then here she's given me, oh wow, I love that blue flower. Isn't it gorgeous? This is so pretty. So we got some polka dotted fabric here. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, she sent me some beads. Thank you. I love beads. I started recently doing like little bead charms and stuff, and I feel like I'm getting better at them. And sometimes I forget how to do them because I get intimidated a little bit, but I mean, the more you do something, obviously the better you're gonna get, so I'm hoping I'll get there one day. Oh my gosh, look at this. I feel like the little mermaid with all her little goodies and stuff, you know, how she feels so proud of them. I feel like that's us as junk journalers. Thank you for sharing those. She picked out such beautiful little beads. Let's move on to the next item. Here we have some more of, I think these are called, oh my gosh, this is what you put seam binding? I don't know. I don't know. So we have a teal, and then we have a bright red. Look how pretty that cherry red is. And she also, you know, wrapped it with this trim that y'all see there. So super cute. Let's see here. We got some more fun yarn. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta feel this. Feel a vision. But this, it just feels so incredibly soft. I love yarn. I'm gonna pick up on crocheting again. I kind of used to do it a lot as a little kid. Oh my gosh. We have some more fun fabrics. She's shared so much of a variety with me here. Oh my god. I feel like I'm being spoiled. So, these are so pretty. So this one, you can obviously tell that it's so iridescent and gorgeous. Oh my god. I had turned in an entry for her challenge not too long ago, and she requested different types of journals she could make, and I said a black and white, and this is what comes to mind as I see this fabric. So I wonder if that's what she was thinking too. We have some of this gorgeous fabric too with yellows and purples. How fun would this be for a boho journal? And then this is a very, it reminds me of wire. I hope y'all know what kind of wire I'm talking about, but that's what it kind of reminded me of. Pretty pattern. And then here we have a green. Oh my gosh, I feel like I seen something like this as a kid, but where? Like sheets maybe? How pretty is that flower? Did y'all see that? Cute. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh my gosh, she shared some of her eyelash trim stash here, and it is in this seafoam green. So cute and pretty. And then here we have some more fabrics, as if you already didn't give me enough, Jovi. And oh, oh my gosh, how does she know that I love blingy fabric? Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at the sheer. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, we got some blue here with some paisley. Absolutely stunning. This one's fun too. Look at the gold in this. Oh, I love when things have gold embossing on it. Oh, it's so perfect. Look at this one. This one looks like marble. Fun fabrics. Beautiful stash, Jovi. And look at this peacock. Oh my god, I love peacocks. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know why I love peacocks. But look at this one. You can see a little bit of gold in the flowers. How pretty is this? And look, we have this teal one too. So pretty. So definitely lots of colors, lots of textures. Super fun. Super fun. Okay, we have some more eyelash trim, and this one changes in color as well. Me and her must have pretty similar tastes. And then here, oh wow, look at this one. Some more eyelash trim, and again, you can see it kind of intertwines with all kinds of colors here. Beautiful, and she filled up the whole roll. She filled up the whole thing. Look at this. How cute is this? She wrapped some more eyelash trim for, I'm gonna have eyelash trim for days. Thank you so, so much. These are gonna be great for like tassels. Super cute. Okay, next up, oh my god, she sent me a bundle of just journaling papers, and oh my gosh, so much to look at here. Let's go ahead and have us a look. She knows how to make it fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so here we have, oh look at this, some vintage papers from a book, and you can see like just the feel of it. It kind of has like a semi-matte feel to it with the description of the flowers. So very pretty. And then here, I'm gonna try to keep them in order because I get very messy quick. We have some more book pages here. Look at this mama and her baby. So cute. Photography and commodity culture, it says. Wow, here they're serving some food. A llama or an alpaca, how cute. And then we have, what is this? Some coloring paper, love that. I love the background, great for that black and white junk journal that I want to make one day too. I know she didn't get a lot of entries for black and white at all. I think I was the only one, but I still think it'd be fun to see one like that. Oh look, they're playing checkers. Pretty sure the cat's winning. I'm going for the cat. And then here we have some plans, some floor plans. How gorgeous is that house? Look at them big windows. We got a 3 carport garage. These are fun matte pages. I'm all about matte pages. And here we have, what is this? Ooh, sewing machine instructions for a sewing journal. Ooh, that would be fun for a sewing journal. Yes, yes. And here we have some instructions for, what is it? More sewing instructions, yes. Little tips and tricks that you can do. Fantastic. And then here we have some fun recipes for, wait, is this recipes? No. Let me get a closer look. Billing rights summary. I don't know why I thought this was recipes. Pardon me. Chevron, USA Ink. I think this is like a receipt of some sort. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Some little vintage receipts here. How fun is this? Where is this from? When is this from? It says posting date 0504. Super cool. She's even tea dyed that. She took time to tea dye. Oh my god. Nations Bank. Here we are. And then you can see how they try to manage their finances there with little check marks. Cute. And we have some more here. We got a couple more. Ooh, with some writing. I think it's kind of cool when there's writing on vintage ephemera and stuff. I like it. I think it's super cool. And then she did some stamping here. This looks and feels almost like she dyed these herself. How pretty is that pink? Gives me like avocado dye feels. And then here we have some glitter at the bottom. How fun. Super sparkly. It matches her personality so beautifully. And then here we have some more vintage book pages to put. Oh, we have a different language here. I'm not quite sure. Right here. I'm not sure what that means. How fun. And then some music. I think this looks like blueberry dyed paper, huh? She sprayed this. Oh, this paper feels nice and thick. Love this. This reminds me of like guitar. Let's see here, some more floor plans. Another floor plan. These are big, huge papers. Look at this. That's a good size paper, both of these. And then here we have Rockability, some more coloring pages. Ooh, how cute is this? Love the glasses. I love this planner here with the flowers and the typewriter. Oh, how cute. Some tea-dyed envelopes here. How cute. Very nice. What a cute little bundle. Lots of pages to play with and put into future junk journals. So thank you so much, Jovi. Love it. I think we're at the end of the box, and I'm anticipating opening up this journal. Look how she wrapped it too. She put some more of that wrapping paper. I'm excited. And look at her little label. She writes so beautifully, by the way. Oh my gosh, I can already feel how heavy it is. Good Lord. So very sorry to leave you guys on a cliffhanger, but come back for March the 25th for the hashtag retro story journaling swap, and y'all will get a chance to see Jovi's junk journal that she sent me. I just wanted to go ahead and upload this portion of the video so that you guys could see all the wonderful extras that Jovi did not have to share with me, but I greatly appreciate it. Thanks so very much for spending time with me in today's video. I will catch y'all back on March the 25th. Y'all please take care. Sending y'all my hugs and kisses. Bye.